gas chainsaws are great for both homeowners and professionals because they offer excellent power and performance. They work well for cutting large logs, clearing brush, and handling tough jobs. With so many options available, it can be confusing to pick the right one. However, before buying the best gas chainsaws you should consider these key factors. Factors to consider. 1. Engine displacement. 2. Bar length. 3. Chain pitch and gauge. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 gas chainsaws currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ProYama gas-powered chainsaw. For heavy-duty cutting jobs, the ProYama gas chainsaw makes its mark with a robust 62cc engine, delivering the raw power required for challenging tasks. With a 22-inch bar, it's well suited for large-scale operations like felling trees and clearing expansive areas. Professionals trust it for its strength, durability, and dependable performance in rugged conditions. The anti-vibration system significantly reduces fatigue during prolonged use, which is crucial for professional operators who use the tool for extended periods. Furthermore, the ergonomic handle and well-balanced structure enhance maneuverability, even when tackling the most challenging tasks. The inclusion of a quick-stop chain brake enhances safety, providing immediate response in hazardous situations. However, the chainsaw's robust construction and powerful engine come with increased weight and size, making it less ideal for casual users or those requiring a chainsaw for light yard work. Starting the chainsaw involves more steps, which can be cumbersome for those not familiar with handling more complex equipment. Its larger size also limits its utility in tight spaces, directing its use more towards open, accessible environments. At number 2, Neotech Handle Gas Chainsaw. Neotech's top handle gas chainsaw is specifically designed with in-tree work and one-handed operation in mind, delivering both accessibility and ease of use. Weighing only 8.2 pounds and featuring a 12-inch bar, it offers a compact and agile build, perfect for tight spaces and above-ground tasks that demand a lighter, more maneuverable tool. Engineered for efficiency and comfort, the chainsaw integrates a gas-powered engine that provides a reliable start and consistent power output. The ergonomic handle and well-balanced design significantly reduce user fatigue, allowing for extended periods of use without discomfort. Furthermore, the built-in steel bar spring reduces starting resistance, enhancing the overall user experience, particularly for those who may not have the physical strength to operate heavier models. The chainsaw's small size and engine make it less effective for cutting thick materials or handling heavy-duty tasks that larger chainsaws are designed for. Its 12-inch bar is best suited for smaller branches and trunks. While it is easy to use, regular maintenance and proper handling are essential to keep it working well and lasting longer, just like any other precision tool. At number 3, Pinkway Gas-Powered Chainsaw. The Pinkway chainsaw, featuring a 63cc engine, positions itself as a reliable tool for large-scale woodcutting tasks. With a 20-inch bar that makes quick work of thick logs and oversized branches, this model is tailored for those needing heavy-duty cutting power. It combines substantial performance with convenience-focused features, ensuring that tough jobs are handled with ease and efficiency. Key features like the Quick Start technology facilitate rapid and reliable starting, minimizing downtime and frustration typically associated with traditional chainsaws. The anti-vibration handles and non-slip grip significantly improves user comfort, allowing for extended operation without excessive fatigue. An automatic chain oiler not only maintains optimal lubrication but also extends the lifespan of the chain and bar, ensuring the chainsaw performs at its peak over time. The chainsaw is powerful and large, which can make it difficult to handle. It needs someone experienced to use it safely. Because of its strength, it's not the best choice for smaller yard tasks or for people who aren't familiar with using such tools. It's built for heavy-duty work that needs deep cuts and a lot of power. Now number 4, Japetech Gas Chainsaw. Japetech's gas-powered chainsaw is designed for heavy-duty cutting, featuring a 60cc engine and 20-inch bar. With 3.5 horsepower, it delivers consistent power to take on large logs, firewood, and thick branches. Its rugged design ensures long-lasting performance, making it an essential tool for forestry, land clearing, and maintaining expansive properties. One of the standout features of the chainsaw is its automatic lubrication system, which reduces friction and extends the life of the chain and bar. Additionally, The dual throttle switches offer enhanced safety by preventing accidental starts, while the anti-vibration system and ergonomic handle provide comfort and control during long periods of operation. These features ensure that users can operate the chainsaw with less fatigue, even when tackling difficult projects. However, the weight of the chainsaw and its powerful engine might make it less suitable for beginners or those needing a chainsaw for lighter tasks. Its size and fuel consumption are better suited for professionals or experienced users who regularly undertake heavy-duty cutting. The chainsaw offers impressive performance but requires proper maintenance to ensure optimal functionality and safety. Now our last product is Husqvarna gas-powered chainsaw. Husqvarna's 460 Rancher gas-powered chainsaw excels in combining strength with ergonomic efficiency, making it an ideal choice for demanding tasks. Equipped with a 24-inch bar and driven by a powerful 3.6 horsepower engine, it can handle large-scale jobs like felling trees and chopping firewood. With ergonomic enhancements designed to boost comfort and productivity, this model is a reliable tool for both professional and personal use. Husqvarna's innovative X-Torque engine not only delivers the raw power needed for tough cutting jobs but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions, aligning with environmental standards and improving cost efficiency. The saw includes an air injection centrifugal air cleaning system, which significantly reduces debris intake, enhancing the longevity of the engine and reducing maintenance needs. Additionally, the saw's ergonomic design and anti-vibration technology ensure comfortable handling and reduced fatigue during extended use. Despite its impressive capabilities, the chainsaw may not be the best fit for those new to handling such powerful equipment. Its size and maintenance needs cater more to seasoned professionals or semi-professional users who are familiar with complex tools. The chainsaw's power and weight demand respect, making careful handling crucial for safe use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.